Good morning, children. Hope all of you are absolutely fine at your home and following my instruction for your studies and healthcare tips too. And hope all of you are enjoying your life too. Am I right? So let's go for today's class. And today I'm going to teach you vowel sound U. Let's listen it, read it, and just repeat after me. Okay? Let's go.
The first picture is bun. B-U-N. Bun. This is the image of gun. G-U-N. Gun. You can see a child is running. So R-U-N. Run. This is the image of sun. S. U-N. Sun. Some kids are playing and enjoying. This is fun. F-U-N. Fun. This is the image of a jug. J-U-G. Jug. Now it's mug. M-U-G. Mug. This is a cub. C-U-B. Cub. Now let's join your hands and rub together. This is R-U-B. Rub. This is bus. B-U-S. Bus. Now you can say it's a ladybug, but only bug you can say too. B-U-G. Bug.